Today I show you how we are going to go from LRT section 7 Shellab to here. Supposedly ICT is just behind there, supposedly, but we're gonna find out. And we have to walk slow because the bro is tired. Yeah, we just have our lunch, a small lunch, and here we are at the moment. So over there it shows that ICT is just over there. So is it possible while walking? Maybe. Well, let's see if we are up for it by walking. I'm not sure if there's any bridge or whatsoever here, but I don't see any damn bridge or here, bro. Yes, I don't see any damn bridge. All I see is a freaking kindergarten there and some house place thingy. Yeah, supposedly we just walk over there and then we're gonna straight summit to ICT. Ah yes, it is correct. So we just go over there and then straight over there. Enter ICT. Bro, we do the thing, bro. Wow, mau tutup jalan eh. We are basically walking the crowd out of here, bro. Is it that one ICT? No, I'm familiar with it. City Walk, ICT Finance Avenue. Oh yeah, it's straight here. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely not there. Wait, that was my mountain. He really takes his time, bro. Wow, I think I'm the one who is excited for this. Anyway, let's take a wee break first and walk over there. Over here. Okay, eh? Okay? Aduh. So straight. Nanti dia ada apa? Ada corner apa ke kanan. Atau aku dah nampak dah ICT property, I think. Soal boleh jalan ke? Itu soal aku nak tanya kat tu. Mana? Itu macam gereja kan? Oh tu. Macam apa form kan panggil? Ikan ni masuk ni mampu yo. Tebus sini tak boleh ke? Tebus sini. Sekejap tengok apa ni? Everyday spa. Sekejap. Water World ICT. Kau nak pergi ICT ke? Tak nak? Oh. Itulah kot bangunan tu yang cek kelabu-kelabu tu.
Belah sana.
Ha, belah sana. Rasa boleh ikut jalan dari sini kan? Kau ikutkan? Ha. Ni dari atas. Should be over there. Dan kita cross, kita nak masuk sana. Should be lah. Wah, boleh di atas eh? Ke tunggu kereta? Naik tangga. Ayo betul memang depan tu. Probably. Lah kita dah kat Sky City kan. Sky City is over there.
Tak buka dah ke tempat ni.
Buka je. Ada je buka tu.
Kan tak ada situ pun.
That one I don't know. Weekday? Oh alah. No tiket nak mandi sini. Waterworld ICT. Wah. Min, siapa je nak pergi? Kau nak pergi yang mandi? No right, definitely. No right.
Ferris wheel tu ada jalan raya kan. Kena
Okay.
lalu lintas jalan raya tu, lepas tu straight je rumah.
Okay, terima kasih. Tahu lah bos. Tanya. Mana dia? Kau tanya dia kenapa? Sebab nampak pakai tag eh? Yang shop ni? Ha.
Bosan tu je.
Baiklah. So nampak Ferris wheel eh? Alah, tempat ni macam mati yo. Kalau ikutkan. So nampak Ferris wheel, kena lintas. Tu Ferris wheel lah kan? That's the Ferris wheel. Wow. We literally walking inside oh. Unpay. Alah, tempat ni mau mati Amin. Patut tak siapa dah main Snow World bagai. That's Selangor. Wow, we basically inside. I don't know what. Sebab naik atas ni. Holy shit. Naik bukit bro. Okay lah bro. Sampai kita balik naik Grab. Settle. Balik session. We Grab. Mana? Sini kan? Yeah, definitely here. So ni dah tu. So it should be depan there. Holy moly. Yes, this is the first and the last I come here. Walao hey. Oh no, support already. The bro was fatigue already.
Old man.
Old man. 30 ah. The perks of 30. Aduh. Turun bawah ni ya? Kan? Ke atas? Tengok macam. Betul Min, bawah ni. Betul. So sini lah kan? City ni. Yeah, this is this is. Kita cari masa bangun lagi lah. Ni lah. This is the building. Kau nak lintas juga tahu? Mana dia turun bawah? Kau nak jadi baik ke jadi jahat? Pusing ni. Lintas situ betul lah. Situ nampak tu. Zebra crossing. So there we guys, we arrived. Although I don't know is it the right mall or not. Central ICT. The bro support. He need water guys. The bro need water. AI world. Wow. I don't trust AI bro. Ayo betul Min. ICT ni. Okay betul Good. Sorry Min, I bring you to unknown place. Well at least we try guys. At least we try. Aku nak tarik Min. Weh, bro terus naik atas. Dia mana masuk. He straight go shortcut. Yeah, we will definitely grab after this, bro. Yeah, that's how we will grab. We definitely grab. Woo! Today we are going to ICT. Sir! Min, ada KFC Min atas. Dengan KK. Excuse me sir, is this ICT? Ah, dah timing, ICT, dah sampai lah tu. We made it guys, we made it.
ICT bukan nak makan pun. Apa bahasa datang?
Tengok awet tiba. Oh yeah, there you have it guys. Surely no one going to langgar us, right?
Mana tu?
Masuk dalam ni kan? Ada dalam tu.
Ni hotel lah.
Ah, ni hotel lah? Bro, mana ICT bro? ICT Financial Avenue. You kat Central ICT panggil? Ah, sudah. Where the hell are we bro?